Beginning with Apple's strong presence in the tech industry, their push towards decoupling the Apple supply chain and China has been moving ahead. Foxconn, their biggest partner, has invested $700 million in a new plant in India as well as committing to another factory in a neighboring state. India is set to produce 10 to 15% of the world's iPhones, and Apple's contract manufacturers have already been exporting over $2.5 billion worth of iPhones from India. However, complex bureaucratic structures and regional problems remain an obstacle in the evolution of manufacturing, along with tariffs and India's infrastructural systems. Apple hopes to win over these issues, taking advantage of their young population and English-speaking foundation. However, this does come with its issues, such as the need for educated workers and the need to raise a few boats to find the quality and quantity of workers needed. Apple is also pushing heavily for quality control standards, with reports of having to reject almost half the production out of one partner in India as it failed to meet standards. It will be a tough journey for Apple, that also may require increased use in automation, telepresence and remote collaboration systems, and deep investments in high-quality on-site education for employees and their families. Though, with India's potential and Apple's ambition to secure its supply chain, they are very determined to get the job done, and it is sure to bring many benefits to the country. Join me in Appleholic as we track this journey and all the Apple-related news, advice and entertainment.